Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 19th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir up 31 cents, 3.43%, closed at 934. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. We have a nice green candle, a longer wick at the bottom. So we have some buying pressure right there. So that's nice to see. Looking at the 1 hour chart, the first hour was all over the place, like for everything, but then things started to pick back up quite well. And we have stochastic over 60, quite over 60 here for Palantir on the 1 hour chart. So everything is looking quite good on the 1 hour chart in terms of the indicators. Coming back to the daily chart, we are gaining back MAC over 60. That's always nice to have. And we are getting very close to this downward resistance. We are very close to that one here. We have the two lines of MACD above zero. This is why we have one green thumb up. The thumb down is because we have a crossing over bearish. So the green line is below the red line. So this is why we have that here. Yeah, that's a thumb down. And what else? All the rest is great. So hopefully tomorrow we are going to break this downward resistance and we are going to be very close to the support. So this will be a nice entry right there, and we can have a stop that's not too low. So I am looking forward to coming back into Palantir maybe tomorrow or this week. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.